In this TeamWork 5 video, I'm going to show you how to change your calendar settings and view. Right now, my calendar is set in the monthly view. I might prefer a weekly one, so in order to change it, I'm going to go to the top menu bar and click on Settings. Once you do that, the information page should display, and your top menu bar should change to the Settings tabs. Click on Preferences in your new menu bar. On your Preferences page, go to the second box titled Calendar. There you will find the place to change your default view. If you click on the arrow, a drop-down menu will pop up. You can choose between a daily view, weekly view, monthly view, and list view. I'm going to click the weekly view. If you choose day or week, you can choose to see all of the hours in the day or week, or only a set range of hours. I'm going to choose to do a set range by clicking the arrow and changing it to my hours. Then I'm going to choose the hour range I want to view. I rarely work in the morning, so I'm going to change from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. by clicking on the little clock next to 8 a.m. Notice that you can only choose every hour or half hour. I'm going to also change the evening hours. Next, you can choose what displays on your calendar. You can choose between schedule, time, swap board, my leave, availability, and events. And you can choose as many or as few of those as you would like. I like to see my leave as well as my time and availability. So I'm going to click on those. Now, in order for any of these changes to take effect, I need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit the blue Save button. Now a green bar should appear next to the blue Save button, telling me when the page was last saved. To view my new calendar, I'm going to go up to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. And in the drop-down menu, I'm going to click on Calendar. Now my calendar is showing the weekly view. Notice that it starts at 10 a.m. where I changed it to, and it goes to 11 p.m. where I changed it to. And it's going to show the hours for this week that it's set on. It also is showing a little bit of the leave and availability. And that's how you change your calendar default settings. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.